Hello guys, today I'm going to fix a noisy laminate floor. As you can hear, it's noisy here, and this noise, it's not coming out from laminate floor. It's actually from the plywood underneath of this laminate. So they didn't put enough screw on the plywood to the joint and studs. So you see, this noise is from plywood moves, screws moves through the plywood. Means they put a screw, the old screws, they are loose, and plywood moves up and down and makes noise. So I have to, one of the way is I remove all the laminate floor, all of them. I have to remove it and put the screw on the plywood under the laminate floor. That it's very hard because I have to remove the laminate floor from the closet, walk-in closet, here, all the way in the hallway, and remove everything. Then I have access to the plywood, and then I can put screw. So that's the best way and hardest way. I'm going to see downstairs. Maybe I can have access to the plywood from there. Okay, I removed one of the pot lights, and I'm going to show you. If I don't know, it's very dark inside, but I try to show you. Okay, see. I don't know if you can hear. Okay, when I move the plywood, I hear some noise. So, and there is a stud there. Okay, I'll try to turn it on, the flashlight. I don't know. Yeah, here. See? This is the stud. So I'm going to put shim or screw there. For now, I try to put it. Okay. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I'm going to put a shim. I use a putty knife as a shim, like this. I put it inside. Try push it inside, so I can find out if plywood moves. So means the noise is from there. Okay, I try to put this inside. I have to pause the video because I need my both hands. So I show you in the next video. Okay, I put the putty knife as a shim there. So it pushes the plywood up. So make it tight, the gaps there. So I'm going to try it upstairs and walk on it. If it helps, it's good. Okay, I'm upstairs now. I'm going to walk on it. No, still noisy. No, doesn't work. Yeah, I have to remove the laminate, or yeah, the best way is remove the laminate because I'm going to put screw from up to the down. I cannot put screws. It's very hard to secure it from downstairs. So I don't like this noise. Yeah, it doesn't work. Okay, I'm going to remove all the laminate floor and fix it. I will show you in the next videos. Okay. Oh, I remove those guys. I don't want. Actually I have to start removing stuff, the laminate from in the closet and go to the bedroom. So I don't want to do that much work. So with a knife, I'm going to start make a line, cut the joint of the laminate here, so it's gonna be stayed, and I remove from here and I leave this here, and after that I put it back. I put some glue here to make it secure. Here you are. See, I cut this piece here, the joint between two laminates, and now we don't need to remove anything from that other side, so that's it. Yeah, this is 1/3 piece third, and this is piece fourth. Yeah, and now I can remove all the other laminates easily like this. Yep, easy. Okay, everything is removed. See, the floor is okay here. Here is okay. Here is okay. This part is okay. Here is okay. The most damaged part, noisy part is here. So I have to remove the under pad and see what's going on under here. Okay, here, see, the floor is noisy because this is old floor, and they use nail instead of screws, floor screws. They use nails. See, if you can see, it's moving, and even here, see, nails. Here, can you see? Where is that? Oh, here. See? Even here. Okay, I'm going to put some drywall screw for now because I don't have a floor screw. So to find out, it's really because of that I'm pretty sure it's because of that plywood, it's loose. Okay, so I put a few screws, and then I have to put the floor screw. Yep, that's it. See, I have to put more screws here. I put 2 screws here. It's already much better. See? No more noise. Even if I put 2, yeah, I have to put lots of screws here, then no more noise. Yeah, here. Okay, I put about 20 screws, maybe more. So the subfloor is secure now. Everywhere I put screws, even somewhere that's not noisy, I put screws. And I think I have to put more here. And yeah, we're done. I have to start, put back the laminate floor, and then we're done. Now it's better to remove all the dust and dirt on your laminate floor, because it's gonna cause of your hard job. So I vacuum all the loose parts, wood pieces and stuff, so it helps me to do a better job. Okay, here you go. This is the result we did. See, no more noise. I hope you guys enjoy it, and this video helps you to solve your problem with your noisy floor. Please subscribe, like, and feel free, if you have any question, please comment it under this video. Thank you guys.